Bracken is a business and community engagement project. It's designed to improve the performance of an existing collaborative network.
The way that the university links in with business, industry, organisations out there in the wider world to provide training, support and consultancy.
But also to link all the information on those websites through a single information hub, which would be the single point of contact for any business who's looking for a particular bespoke service. What we wanted to do was to analyse how each of the individual institutions engaged with their customers, with their clients in the existing network, and to see where there were opportunities for improvement in doing that, their effectiveness, but then to look at the network as a whole, how working as a network improved the way in which the services collectively were being made available to the businesses. That's what we wanted to do. And we wanted to do it in a formal way using enterprise architecture. One of the things that we found from the analysis was the fact that the business-facing websites that the individual partners had were not great.
We then set about through Bracken to try and improve the web design, the web page, and the way business organisations could access our services.
What happened next was the further design of the information hub, which was going to draw down information from each of those new websites and make it available from a single point of contact. And what that meant was that the information hub wasn't a repository of information itself. It was merely a gateway, a portal, if you like, to the information that was on the individual websites. And that meant that the individual partners had the responsibility, as they would do anyway, of maintaining the information about their particular services, and they didn't have to update anything else.
What we've done is we've got areas of the website which link to the relevant commercial services of the partner institutions, so that people can look at their sites directly. We've also got the search functionality within the portal, which if someone from outside a business puts in some search criteria for a particular course, it'll bring back all the offerings from any of the partner institutions.
Actually, there was a fairly consistent response from each of the partners, the value of the Bracken project, purely because it was assisting them doing something that they wanted to do anyway.
We reach the businesses and the organisations who are familiar with us, but it's those businesses that we seem to fail to get through that we are trying to a different angle, different approach. So if they used to go into somewhere else for their staff training and development, maybe one click away they will make the inquiry to this office.
In a way, it was a win-win situation. They really wanted to do it, and the Jisc assistance really was of great benefit to all of them.
It's still embryonic. I'm not sure that we've got the messages out to the business organisations.
All of the institutions are continuing to develop their websites, so we would expect over the next year to be getting feedback, and no doubt that feedback will improve the system as we understand the bits that really do work well and the bits that really need improvement.
I'm hoping really that the partners end up with better websites, I think is the main aim.